Hello guys, and welcome back to AMNOW Tech. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install the latest version of Windows 11 24H2. So without further delay, let's get started. First, to start with, Windows 11 24H2 version was released on 1st October 2024. As at the time of recording this video, that is the current version of Windows 11. So I'm going to show you how to install it. As you can see, this is just the starting phase of installing the Windows 11 24H2, and this, the latest version, is totally different from the previous Windows installation we've been doing. I'm going to take you through to the latest ins and outs of this installation process. As at here, you have to select your language to your language and then time and currency format. So I'm just going to leave it on United States, and now you go to next, and here you select your keyboard layout. So I'll just leave it as US. Here, as you can see, we have install Windows 11 or repair my PC. Now I'm just going to select install Windows 11, and then I agree everything will be deleted, including files, apps and settings. So just leave it as it is, click on it and go to next. This is just accept it, and then here we have the hard drive selected now. But before we do that, let's delete all these partitions. Right, so this is the hard drive unlocated. The reason why I deleted all my partitions, it could not be that on your path. For mine, I don't need anything on the hard drive, which I'm going to delete everything on my partitions. But your own could be different, so you can just leave it as it is and then just install the Windows onto your hard drive. Once my partition is unlocated, now you can just click on next to start with the installation, or you have to create a partition. For my case, I'm going to create a partition, but once you are about to create the partitions, you can create partitions by dividing the hard drive into two, but for my own, I'm just going to leave it all together. Let's click on create partition. As you can see, this is where you just type in the numbers, and then just leave it as it is, because I'm going to leave it all together, and then click on apply. So that is it. This now my partitions is created. Now this other partition you are seeing down here is our pen drive. That is our pen drive, so we just leave it as it is. So go back to our hard drive, select our hard drive, and then click on next. Right, so as you can see, this is just a recap of what is going to happen to your PC. So it's going to install the Windows 11 Pro, and then it is going to keep nothing, because for my case I have deleted all the partitions, but for your own it could be different. So we just leave it as it is and then click on install. So as you can see, this is how the Windows 11 24H2 version is once it starts creating the files. Previously it used to be checkboxes, the checkboxes listed here, and then you just watch it through. But now that it is the latest version, it is now a percentage, so you just have to wait on the percentage until it finishes, then you are good to go. Alright, so as it moves to the next stage, this is the next stage here. So once it restarts on the first page, on the first stage, this is our next stage here. As you can see, everything of this latest version of 24H2 is totally different as compared to our previous installations we've been doing. Now as it's finished with the installation, for this stage, this is just the same as our previous installations. So just select your region and then select our keyboard layout. Yes, it's only one that we need, so just skip that. And as you can see here, we don't have internet, so I'm just going to skip this stage. So let's use the command prompt. I'm going to use a local account to log in, so just use the command prompt, type in this command. But if you are having internet, you can use your Microsoft account to log in. So as we're going to restart, we are going to select the region and then the keyboard layout again before it continues. So once again, select your region, keyboard layout, skip this, and now we have I don't have internet, so just select I don't have internet. Let's type in our name. We don't need a password, skip that. You can adjust them to your best fit, so let's go to next, accept. So our Windows is installed successfully. Let's check and see the version, the Windows version. So on the start, just type WinVar and then click on it, open that. Right, as you can see, we have here Microsoft Windows version 24H2. Let's just take a sneak peek of some few changes within the Windows. Now let's go into the settings. Here, click on settings. Now this is just the home, how it looks like. And if you go here, we have, this is our PC model number. And if you go into, you can just change the themes. Scroll down below, and then these are just the themes. And then you can, here below here we have whether light or dark mode. So just leave it as it is. And basically that is just how simple and easy this Windows is. And this is our account. If you want to do anything within our account, you can just change everything here. You can sign in with your Microsoft account if you are having internet now. And you can also with logins, you can use your password or whatever that you want, fingerprint or whatever that you want. Use these options to log in, to sign up, and then lock your device. Time and language, and we have the gaming, accessibility, privacy. And if there is any updates that you want to do, just go to Windows Update here, and you can see here we are up to date. Right, so if there are new updates available, you can just come to this Windows Update and then check for updates. Once there are updates within the internet, you are definitely going to get them. So guys, that is just how easy and simple it is to install Windows 11 24H2 as it was released on 1st October 2024. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next video. Peace out.